Hey there, food lovers. Today, we're going to explore a delicious recipe from the continent. We're going to make Continental Delights, a scrumptious dish that's perfect for any occasion. So, let's get started. First, we need to gather our ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, a half cup of sugar, a half cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half cup of milk. Now, let's start by mixing the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the flour, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. In a separate bowl, whisk together the sugar, oil, egg, and vanilla extract. Gradually add the milk, mixing well after each addition. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Don't overmix, or your pancakes might turn out tough. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once it's hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto the skillet. Cook for about 2 minutes on each side, or until golden brown. Repeat this process with the remaining batter, and voila! You've got yourself a batch of delicious Continental Delights. These pancakes are perfect for any meal, but they're especially great for breakfast or brunch. Serve them up with some maple syrup, fresh fruit, or even a side of bacon. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!